Ever wondered how to master stock transfers in Engonus? Uncover the full potential of this solution's standout feature, stock transfer, a tool for seamless inventory management, no invoice needed. Let's make sure the necessary elements are set up in the system for optimal use. Before we begin, there are a few prerequisites to have in place. Firstly, ensure your warehouses are set up. Stock them with the necessary products. Now, modify your settings to cater to your specific needs. The sidebar is your guide through this process, offering a user-friendly interface. It aids in effortless navigation. Once you've laid the foundation, you're just a step away from mastering the stock transfer feature. After all the initial steps, just a click separates you from utilizing the stock transfer feature to its full potential. Once all the groundwork is completed, you're ready to master the stock transfer feature. To access the stock transfer feature, you'll need to expand the product menu. Within this menu, you'll see a variety of entries related to stock and product details. Begin a new stock movement by clicking Add. This action opens a new interface where you can upload necessary documents such as a tax certificate. You then select a warehouse and provide the product reference. This action triggers a new section where you adjust stock quantity. Here, decide whether to increase or decrease stock levels, define the specifics, and then click Submit. With swift efficiency, the system will instantly update the stock level and generate a record. Creating new stock movements is remarkably simple with Engonus, but mastering this tool involves more. It presents a fluid editing function, allowing you to make modifications with ease. Not only this, but you can delete stock movements directly from your predominant overview. What sets Engonus apart is its detailed reporting ability. It offers meticulously comprehensive reports covering a range of movement data in various user-friendly formats. This isn't just about convenience, it's about empowering you to manage in the most efficient way. Yes, this is how you master stock transfers in Engonus. Thank you for watching.